and good afternoon everyone. So today we're going to be using salt to speed up the melting rate of ice and create very beautiful tunnels. So this is just a little bit of a preview before we get started. Alright, so let's get started. First we're going to need some salt. A cup of ice. You can use a Tupperware container, a plastic cup, anything you like. Some small cups or bowls. Some water. Some pipettes or a paintbrush. Food coloring. And a plate or platter. Alright, so we're going to put our plate down and start pulling the ice out of the plastic container that we chose. And I did multiple pieces of ice. You can do as much or as many as you want. Alright, so now we're going to lay our cups out. So we're going to do one for each color. And then we're going to put our food coloring or dye in. So I put a lot of food coloring in each cup. You don't have to do that if you want more lighter or pastel colors. So something really cool about this science activity is that we're really close to Easter right now. So if you want to use your egg dye after you're done to do this project, you can definitely do that. So I decided I wanted some purple. So I mixed the red and the blue. Okay, so now we're going to pour our water in. And as you can see, the colors are really dark and intense. They show up a little bit lighter once you get them on the ice, but if you want lighter colors, you'll definitely need to use way less food coloring. And that purple I chose actually turned into more of an indigo, but I thought it was pretty, so it worked out. Okay, so now we're going to get our salt, and we're just going to pour a handful into our hand like that and kind of sprinkle it over. You are going to want to put a good amount of salt on top. It's going to immediately start melting it. You can see how the surface of the ice gets rough. We're going to put some more on just for good measure. Okay, so you can see the little tunnels kind of on the edges where it's forming, and definitely how rough it is on top. Whenever we put the coloring on there, we're really going to be able to see those little salt tunnels. Alright, so now I have our pipettes. I chose to use pipettes because I felt they worked the best. Some of you might not have pipettes at home. You can use medicine droppers or paintbrushes. So we're going to put that orange on there, and we're going to just put a little bit on. It's fun to mix the colors on the surface of the ice, so don't douse it too much in one color. This is a great time to talk about color theory if you haven't before. There's that indigo color. Alright, so now we can see the beautiful colors going into the ice tunnels. We got some green over here. I just love watching it spread. Now we're gonna put some blue on top and combine it with that indigo and green. And the blue. Here's a little bit of a view of everything that we've done. And those back ones back there that you guys didn't get to see close up. And cleanup is so easy for this. You just put the ice blocks in the sink and run some water over them. Alright, and that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for joining me. We'll see